Hello there. These are Kit Kats from India. And as you can see, the box, a lot different than American packaging. And I also changed up the slogan from "Give me a break" to "Have a break." Have a Kit Kat. All right. You want to see what Indian nutrition facts look like? They look like that. So these are the caramel chocolate coated wafers. So let's give these guys a little run. Come on, dog. Come on, man. Oh, what the? Come on. This is what Indian Kit Kats look like, fellas and ladies, and every human out there watching. Not bad. Just slightly taste that caramel. Caramel coated Kit Kats from India. I'm gonna give you a 5.